Welcome to Summer Well, an escape from the city and a celebration of music and art, all set in the enchanting Domeniul Știrbey. Decade, this festival has become a highlight of the Romanian summer, drawing a diverse crowd of music lovers and creatives. It's not just about the headliners on the main stage, it's an immersive experience. As you wander through the historic forest, you'll discover more than just incredible sounds. We're talking about mesmerizing art installations, pop-up shops, and hidden areas to explore with friends. From the unforgettable live performances that make the crowd come alive, to the delicious food vendors offering a taste for every palate. Summer Well is more than a festival. It's a vibrant community gathering. Get ready to lose yourself in the music and make memories that will last until next summer.